Crepes. I made it with my chef that I work with every Wednesday. 2 room temperature eggs. Now 2 cups of milk, any kind of milk. Now I think you can give it a mix. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1.5 cups of flour. Now, maybe get a spatula like this and scrape the sides to get everything. The final step is chop up some dough, put it in, and if you don't have dough, you can do something else, but I don't know if it'd be that good. Wow, that stuff's nice. Okay, so right now we are actually heating the pan up. So right now we are putting the batter in our pan, and then you put 1 scoop in, and then you're supposed to do this. Get it everywhere because it doesn't need to be big, it needs to be thin. And you know when it's done when it has a lot of bubbles in it. See how many bubbles there are? 1, 2, 3 or something. Or not. That's called perfect pancake. I mean crepe.